Hello viewers, welcome to another video on text manipulation in Excel. Let us look at searching for text in Excel. There are two functions in Excel for searching text. One is search and the other one is find. Both these functions take exactly the same arguments, but they are different in the way that one of the functions is case sensitive and the other one is case insensitive. There is a find and replace feature also, which is not a function. If you press Ctrl F, this is the find and replace feature. This is not a function. The search function is used to search text within another piece of text. This function is not case sensitive and it supports wildcards also. Find function is case sensitive and it does not support wildcards. Find and replace feature, as I said, is not a function and you can use it to search for formats also. Now let us look at a couple of examples of these functions. Here I want to search for 256 in this text. I will use the search function first and it takes three arguments. One of them is optional. Find text is 256 and I want to find it within this text, and the start number is 1, which is default. So I will ignore this argument because this argument is optional. You get 4. That means 256 appears at the 4th position in this text. Search for I in capitals. I will search for capital I in this text. Although I is capital here and is in small case in this text, still it finds it because the search function is not case sensitive. I want to find out anything after a 2 in this text. And it also works because here this 2 is there and after that a string. So this star character means anything that starts with a 2, and here this text string starts with a 2, so it takes out the number. Here I want to search for any character, then a 5 and then any character. Here 2 and then 5 and 6 match this pattern, so this will also match. Here I want to find out the same pattern, but here the 5 comes at the last. So there is one character before 5, but there is no character after 5. So this will not match. It gives a value error if nothing is found. In this case, we are looking for a star character in the string. When you want to find out a wildcard in the text, you have to precede that with a tilde sign, and that is that squiggly sign which tells Excel to search for the star character exactly. So search and it finds it. In this text, it has to find out a star and anything that can come after that. So 455G comes after the star here, and which is found out by search. Find 256. So we will use the find function. It takes exactly 3 arguments, same as search. So we will find this within this text. And start number is again optional. Find capital I in this text and it will not find it. And the find function doesn't work with the wildcards, so none of these will work. So if you want to use wildcards in your search strings, you have to use the search function. If you want to do a case sensitive search, you have to use the find function. I think search function is more versatile, so I always use it instead of find. So to summarize, search is case insensitive. Search supports wildcards. The star wildcards searches for anything. Star S star means anything that contains an S. Question mark 5 question mark means any character to the left or right of 5. It has to be exactly like this, any character before 5 or any character after 5. Here in this case, if you look at this thing, there is a 5 and there is a character before it, but there is no character after it. So this fails. 2 star means anything starting with a 2. This tilde sign, you use it when you want to search one of the wildcards itself. Here you want to search for a wildcard star and you want to search for anything after that star. So in this case, a star comes and after that anything is found out. Find is case sensitive and it does not support wildcards. So that is how you search for values in Excel using the search and find functions. I will cover find and replace box in another video. For now, thank you for your time and I'll see you in the next video.